So sometimes it's not easy to make calls here because everybody is also working in this office. We're actually making something again in our office, so I think we're just going to have a little sit outside and see if we can make some more clients, okay? First thing we do every morning is we have to check in with our clients, our coaching clients, if they are where we want them to be. So I'm just going to make a few calls first and then I'll get back to you very soon, okay? Okay, so today, how far are you today? So sometimes it's not easy to make calls here because everybody is also working in this office. We're actually making something again in our office, so I think we're just going to have a little sit outside and see if we can make some more clients, okay? Okay, so how did you make that connection with the client? It's important that you make the connection first, because as you make the connection first, that's the best way that they will see, who you are and what you can do for them. Yeah, okay, that's great. That's great, that's awesome, that's an awesome result. You see how much different that is than what you did 3 weeks ago? Now you're actually really making an impact on these people. So the best part about this job is that you can really see that people are changing their business. But it all starts with mindset. It's really crazy. People are looking for this one specific skill that they need. It's not about skill, it's about mindset first. As we talk with our clients always, it's always first, what is it that you have to change here so you can change the rest of the world, right? And I really like this place. Okay, so we made some calls this morning and we're actually going to do some recording upstairs. Camera guy is ready, so we're going to go upstairs, shoot some videos, and then this afternoon we'll all be meeting clients. Let's get started. Some video shooting. Come, let's go. Hey, how are you? You doing well? So today is a special day because we're going to do our new recording for PropCoach. So if you're excited, just follow me and see how we do it today. Secret of a good training video is, of course, it's all in the script. So I usually write my script a few days ahead, because it's always in my brain, something that I want to share with the real estate people all around the world. But the most important thing of the scripts that we write is that we have to keep it short. We have to keep it to the point because we just want to always touch one subject. An important thing about this subject is it has to give you massive value. But you as a real estate agent, of course, can do the same thing for your clients in the real estate. Make sure that you have something to share and just make a 2 or 3 minute video, and trust me, your clients are going to love it. So we're going to quickly do a shooting right here, right now, but afterwards I'll show you a little bit more. See you later. Real estate is being done because it needs a full commitment from you. So as part-timers, you must be committed to the real estate because as you are, I don't know many part-timers that act. So part-timers in real estate You can work as a part-time in real estate, but do they really see success? That's the question, because I don't know many part-timers that really see success, because real estate is a commitment of you joining the real estate as a professional real estate agent. So we're done for today. The shooting, we made 2 videos, so that's quite productive for today. And now we're just going to move on with the business for today, so tag along. There you are. Okay, great. I hope you enjoyed the first video. So if you like these kinds of videos, we will do more of these vlogs every single week. So subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, PropCoach, and just see what we're doing. And I'm saying to you, don't only listen at what we're doing, also follow what we're doing, and maybe you can learn something and do it also yourself. So see you next week. Going to my first appointment. See you.